YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl. You already know my channel Shoot to Heads. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing, and without further ado, let's get into it. This came from Sledgexl. Yeah. I have a fair idea, but because I collect a lot of shoes, I don't know. Here, Jordan 11 Retro Low. This is gonna be medium gray and white Gunsmoke. So there you go. Y'all niggas can read. Alright. So came from Sledgexl. You got that Sledgexl authentication card, whatever. And I paid $165 with shipping, $13.95, so it came up to $178.95. It's right there. All right. Boom, boom, boom. So these came out some time ago. I didn't cop it back then, but then I saw somebody rocking it, and they look all right to me, though. You know, that Sledgexl little sticker. They look all right, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start being on the lookout for one of these nice shoes. You know, like, what can you rock with these? You already know the Jordan 11s, rope lacing, patent leather in the gray and Gunsmoke white. Bottoms are the clear icy blues. Carbon fiber plate right there, Jumpman in white. Taking it to the back, you've got Jumpman in white right here. 2-3 written over here. Patent right here. The top part is kind of like suede. Yeah, and then you've got Jordan right here with the Jumpman in white on the third, roll of the lacing. Okay, nice shoes. I'd like to jump into the on-feet action real quick so you know how they look on feet. This is one of the shoes that I like because I love the Jordan 11 lows. I think I have about, now I have like 5 of those, and maybe I would do, a shoe collection or how to style the lows. Alright, until you see me next in my other video, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and all that good stuff. Stay tuned for the on-feet. See ya.
Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Yeah. Oh, this fucking paper wow. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper wow. 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 Oh, this fucking paper wow. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper. Tell them, woo, woo. Tell them, woo, woo. Tell them, woo. Like a, yeah, yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Cause the hood breeze, Texas coming in now. I fuck up a good thing, promise you I've been down. See know what the hood brings, talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking, why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it, I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice floor, that's just how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Back, 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 back. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be unstable.